In this video, you will discover how to search for an invoice in the invoice list. There are 3 types of searches you can use: invoice ID, invoice number, and customer name. Let's dive in. To begin, let's navigate to the Invoices section. Next, click on the search bar to initiate the search process. First, I'll demonstrate searching by invoice ID, using both partial text and full text. Let's observe the results. Full text. Correct. Partial text. Correct again. Now I'll search by invoice number. To obtain the invoice number, please utilize the final segment of the invoice URL. Let's paste it into the search bar. Correct. Finally, I'll search by the customer name associated with the invoice. We can employ both partial text and full text for this method. Let's give it a try. Full text. Correct. Partial text. Correct as well. Congratulations! We've successfully executed invoice searches using 3 distinct methods. Want to learn more tips and tricks on how to use Blixo? Please like and subscribe. Not a Blixo customer yet? Want to grow sales, manage subscriptions, improve retention, and automate accounting? Sign up for Blixo today by visiting Blixo.com.